Hello, everyone. Tony Costa here from Toronto Apologetics. I want to make an announcement about an online course that I will be teaching in the new year in January. I'm going to be teaching a three-part series on the book of Revelation. And in January, I'm going to be starting part one, which will cover Revelation chapters 1 to 8. The course is going to run for 8 consecutive Sunday evenings from January the 14th, 2024 to March the 3rd, 2024, and it'll run from 7 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So in this course, we're going to be looking at what exactly is the book Revelation? What type of literature is the book Revelation? And what are all these symbols about, and these ferocious beasts and these heavenly visions? And what exactly is the beast and the mark of the beast? And what is the 1,000-year reign of Christ? What is this millennium? Is it literal? Is it a figure of speech? Is it a metaphor for something? And does the book Revelation give us any ideas or keys to understanding the days that we're living in? Is the book Revelation still to be fulfilled? Is it a future book, a book talking about what is still to come? Or is the book Revelation talking about something that has already occurred? Or is it half and half? Is it talking about things that have already happened and things that are yet to come? And so this course is designed to help you as a first-time learner to understand the book Revelation. There's a lot of wild speculations that people have come up with through the past 2,000 years of church history about the book Revelation. And we want to be responsible with this course. We want to be responsible readers. We want to learn what this book contained in the Word of God, the Bible, what this last book of the Bible has to say to us living today. And what theological truths can we learn from it? And so I want to welcome you along to take this course. I'm sure you'll be extremely blessed. And we also encourage you to pass this information on to others. And registration costs are all mentioned in the description box. At this point, all we need to know is if you are interested in taking the course, we can secure your name on the student list. And registration fees are due on January 10th, 2024. So if this is a course that would interest you, please email us at torontoapologetics@gmail.com. That email will also be in the description box, and we will put your name down on the list, and then we will contact you sometime in the early second week of January, and we will give you notifications on how to connect with us. So this is an online course. It's available to anyone, anywhere in the world. And those of you who are joining us from a different part of the world and you cannot be with us live, all our lectures, all our videos are recorded, and they are made available to our students, including the handouts. And so we look forward to seeing you in the new year. Thank you very much, and God bless. Bye for now.